In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Facebook Reels. This is going to be a very simple and easy strategy that anybody can do in order to make money with Facebook Reels. So what can you expect from today's video? Well, inside today's video, you're going to get a 10-minute guide teaching you all about how to monetize Facebook Reels. I'm going to show you how to actually make money with the Reels Pay Bonus program. So you're going to be able to get paid directly from Facebook for the videos that you create. And then I'm going to show you how to make even more money before Facebook pays you for their Reels bonus program. All of that's going to be covered inside of today's video. So if you get any kind of value from this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Without further ado, let's jump into today's method. The strategy that we're going to be using today to make money with Facebook Reels goes like this. We're going to be making simple videos that you don't even have to show your face in. And then once you hit 1,000 views on those videos within 30 days, then you're going to receive an invite from Facebook to be approved for the Facebook Reels Pay Bonus program. But before we do any of that, we're actually going to be using affiliate marketing to make money before the Facebook Reels bonus program hits our bank account. Just like TikTok and Instagram and YouTube, short videos are exploding right now, and Facebook is no different. That's why Facebook released Facebook Reels and the monetization that goes along with it in order to get people to start creating content on the Facebook platform. As you can see here, Facebook invested over $1 billion in creators across Facebook and Instagram through 2022 because they believe in the Facebook Reels program so much. And we see here that you are going to be able to get paid a bonus after your Reels get at least 1,000 views over a 30-day period on Facebook. Then you can become eligible to be monetized on Facebook. It's currently invite only, but you will be notified inside of the Facebook app or your Creator Studio once you are able to sign up for the Facebook Reels program. But there are certain kinds of videos that Facebook will not allow you to monetize on their platform, and those include videos that have static images. So if you have a picture of an Instagram post over a video in the background, you cannot monetize that on Facebook. Also, slideshows of images are not going to be monetizable on Facebook either, so you can't do slideshows to get money on Facebook. Same for looping videos, text montages, or embedded ads. None of that is going to be monetizable on Facebook. So what kind of content can you actually monetize? Well, you can monetize your own content on Facebook. It has to be created by you, and I'm going to show you how to create videos that get thousands of views, and you don't even have to show your face for these videos. So you don't have to worry about getting banned or not being approved for the Facebook monetization program. You're going to be able to get approved with the videos that I'm going to be showing you inside of today's method. Now, once you get at least 1,000 views over a 30-day period, then Facebook is going to send you a notification that looks like this. It's going to say turn on professional mode, and that's going to allow you to grow your audience, get paid for your Reels, and give you tons of statistics around your videos so you can see what is performing well and what is not performing well. The Reels Play bonus program will pay you up to $35,000 per month, depending on how many views you get on your videos. So this is all based on views. Unlike YouTube, where you get paid on clicks for ads, you get paid on Facebook for the views that you get. Now, you can also do this method with a Facebook page, and that's going to be through Meta Business. But inside this video, we're going to be focusing on your own Facebook profile instead of a business page. But if you're curious, you could actually make money from Reels Play Bonus by using a Facebook business page. You just have to have at least 5 Reels in the last 30 days, and you have to have at least 100,000 views on those Reels in the last 30 days, and then you can actually apply and become professional mode inside of that business page. So if you'd rather go that way, then this strategy will work exactly the same for a Facebook page as it will for a Facebook profile. So now you're probably thinking, David, what kind of videos are we going to be uploading onto Facebook in order to earn money with the Facebook Reels program as well as affiliate marketing? Well, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating videos inside of the marketing and finance niche. And that's because it's the easiest to monetize with affiliate marketing, as well as it's getting so many views, thousands, even hundreds of thousands of views right now on Facebook Reels. So now is the best time more than ever to jump inside of the marketing niche on Facebook. So the kind of videos that we're going to be creating in order to earn money on Facebook Reels is we're going to be creating these kind of videos where we film our computer screen teaching different kinds of side hustles. You'll see a lot of different creators using this method on TikTok, and it's going to work the same on Facebook. In fact, I know a lot of people who create content in the marketing niche on Facebook and are having tons of success right now. Let me show you exactly how easy it is to create these types of informational videos. I just opened up Google Slides, and this is actually the slide for this video, but let me show you, it's really simple to create these kinds of videos. I'm just gonna go ahead and duplicate this slide here, and then I'm gonna show you how to create these step-by-step informational videos. So first off, we want to come up with a title for our video, and I'm gonna say how to do affiliate marketing. Now, if I wanted to do a video about how to do affiliate marketing on Facebook, just like this video, I could drag this over and then just turn this arrow down like so, pointing to that money, and this could be our simple, straightforward title for a Facebook Reels video. And you could link it to trending sounds, and you don't even have to use your voice in these types of videos. That way we are all covered on the content monetization policies on Facebook, and we could create these simple videos without showing our face that would still allow us to be approved for the Facebook Play Reels bonus program, as well as make money with affiliate marketing. Now, when it comes to what affiliate marketing program you need to be promoting with this strategy, I recommend promoting Legendary Marketer's 15-day Business Builder Challenge. If you haven't heard of Legendary Marketer, they're an online marketing education system helping people become digital marketers online. And this program right here is actually growing exponentially right now on Facebook. So many people are having success promoting this program on Facebook. And in order to actually apply to become an affiliate for this program, what you have to do is take the 15-day online business builder challenge yourself, and then once you're inside of there, you can apply to become an affiliate. So I will leave a link down below this video inside the description, and you can sign up to become an affiliate inside of the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. Once you're inside of the 15-day Business Builder Challenge, all you have to do is just go over to the account section and then just click on the affiliates tab right here, and that's where you're going to be able to find all of your affiliate information. You can go over to the affiliate links section, click on the Business Challenge Lite theme, and then affiliate links, and that's where you're going to get your unique affiliate link that you can promote underneath your videos on Facebook Reels. The cool thing about Facebook Reels, unlike TikTok, is you can actually post your link to an affiliate product underneath a video. On TikTok, you're limited just to the link inside your bio, but on Facebook, you can actually post links inside of the comments. And that's exactly what 𝗬𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗧 does to promote the Legendary Marketer program on Facebook Reels. As you can see, she has 91,000 followers just by posting Facebook Reels. And if I go to her videos section, you can see that she's getting thousands of views on each one of these videos, 5,000, 4,000, 7,000, and all she's doing is just getting people aware of Legendary Marketer and the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. And then once they're aware of that, she just posts a link inside of the comments. As you can see, here's one of her videos, and she actually posts her link to her opt-in page right underneath the comments inside of the video. And this is where she's getting all of her leads as well as all of her sales for the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. And she's been able to do over $200,000 with this method, so I know personally that this method works. So all you have to do is just create these simple videos using Google Slides and your phone to record your screen on your computer, and then just post those videos onto Facebook Reels, wait for 30 days after you get 1,000 views, and then you can become a professional on Facebook, earning Facebook Reels play bonuses from Facebook themselves, as well as earning with affiliate marketing by promoting the 15-day online Business Builder Challenge. So if you haven't done so yet, go ahead and sign up to become an affiliate for Legendary Marketer. Start creating these videos, post them onto Facebook Reels using your Facebook profile. And then when people have questions, just answer them under the comments and direct them to the affiliate link for Legendary Marketer. This is a simple and easy way to earn money with Facebook Reels, and I know it's going to work for you because it's worked for so many other people. And with all that being said, if you guys want to watch more videos of mine, go ahead and check out the videos that are coming up on the screen now. My name's David, and I create videos all about how to make money online and different side hustles, so check those videos out, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I will see you guys inside of my next video.